Hey guys, so Happy New Year's. Today we're going to do a quick fire alarm tour. Here we have panel, an Edwards panel. It says Edwards IO series. Alright guys, so let's start off here. Okay guys, so first pole station here. We have an Edwards 270 SPO pole station, and like an Edwards bell. Same thing over there. And the same thing upstairs. We have one here. Yep. And then we have another one, but this one has the gray lines. Looks really new. Another 270 SPO and another Edwards bell. And we have another one here, bell. And we're gonna go to the other hall. There's my brother and my mom and her friend. And of course an exit sign for you guys out there, if you're exit sign fans. And we have a first aid detector. And we have a fire hose here and a fire extinguisher. We have a Edwards Genesis strobe, I think, and then an Edwards bell. That we have a first aid smoke detector down. And then here we have a, show you guys. And here we have another fire hose, another detector. And here we have a Firelight BG12 and a water tank there. Alright guys, gotta go to my family. Alright guys. Bye guys. BG12 in here. And our exit sign. And a charity strobe and a bell.